Hey, this is Carol, and today we're going to make a tabletop arrangement on this wreath. Okay, first I got this bunch, and I took everything off on the bottom here to make it just have the tall part. Then I'm going to hot glue it in. I also put a pan underneath so if it dripped, it wouldn't get on the table. There we go. It looks pretty good. Okay. I've got some big lilies. And let's see, I think I'll put the fern down next. That's to kind of hide all the glue and everything that's going to be down here. Plus it makes it look kind of woodsy. So this one's shorter. I'll put him sort of near the front. Put it all the way around, kind of like it's one big fern growing there. Okay, I'm going to put in one of the big lilies. And we'll go ahead and put the other one in too. The room I'm going to put it in is blue, so we'll do some blue hydrangeas. There we go. Okay, that's looking nice. You can also put a little bird's nest down the bottom if you want to. Or some moss. I just didn't want moss because it kind of makes a mess sometimes. This is going to be a split complementary, which means we go across the color wheel and split. So the splits are the blue and the purple. And of course on the other side is the yellow. I know what would be cute, a little frog or something. Little bird. Something like that, butterfly would be nice on this. And I thought these little guys were kind of cute. Okay, let's put another hydrangea in the back there. They have large leaves, so that's good for hiding anything. Let's see if we put one a little bit higher. Okay, this is looking good now. I'm going to add one more piece of greenery right here. There we go. I just thought there was a little place there. And then I'm going to put my little birdhouse on here and tell you to go make your own and have fun.